Hi friends, my name is Musa and I hope all of you are doing really wonderful there. Let me give you a very quick introduction about myself. I am a senior test automation engineer in software having around 11 years of relevant work experience. I have worked with both product as well as with service-based software companies in India as well as in abroad. I have primarily worked on browser-based UI automation, REST API automation, and on web applications performance testing. I'm really passionate about software quality and I helps the agile product teams to achieve continuous testing with automation solutions. And here I'm with my brand new YouTube channel. I have actually planned a series of online tutorials for those who are interested to learn about software automation. Primarily, I'm going to focus on web application test automation. By web application, what I mean is an application which can be opened in a web browser like Google Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, Microsoft, Internet Explorer, etc. I have a long-term plan to make online tutorials on tools, processes, best practices, etc. Everything related to software test automation. And right now, I'm just getting started with it. I believe that an expert in anything was a beginner once. So, friends, let us begin together. If you are keen to learn something in test automation, I request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and please like and share it with your circle. I hope my tutorials are going to help you in some way, or at least it can give you some chance to trigger your thought process around automation. So, without any further ado, let me tell you what topic I'm going to present first here in this channel. I'm going to start with an awesome automation tool called Catalan Studio, a tool that I have used in last 1 year or so. So you will find short-sized videos focusing on different topics related to Catalan Studio. All videos can be found in playlist named Catalan. As we are dealing with test automation, I'm also planning to have a session introducing what is automation, what are the benefits, how it is helping the agile teams to deliver the software products. So we will understand what is test automation first before we actually look into Catalan Studio. So I wanted to thank you for watching and listening to me. Please keep an eye on this space and watch Catalan Studio playlist for all the tutorials. Thank you once again for watching. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.